Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're taking a look at the brand new 24-inch iMac with the 4.5K Retina display. And I'm also recording this video using the built-in microphones. There are several microphones built into the new iMac, and so we are listening to me using those microphones so you can get an idea of how it sounds. Also, the speakers on here are very nice. I know in the Apple presentation they really went over the bass and how great they are, and they do sound really good. They are probably the nicest built-in speakers on any computer I've ever heard. So they are very nice. You really don't need any external speakers when you use this computer. Also, when you're watching, you can see that it's playing back 8K video. One of my videos here from YouTube, no problem. I will have videos coming up editing with 8K. Also, I do recommend if you get one of these computers that you do upgrade to 16 gigabytes of RAM, because it's not something that you can do later, and it really makes a difference because this is the base model, but I did just upgrade the RAM to it to 16 gigabytes. It really makes a difference with the computer. I know a lot of people said it didn't, but after a lot of my testing with the Mac Mini, I can see it does make quite a bit of difference. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.